What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to add animated text on Instagram stories. Firstly, how do you get up into that section? Just click on your plus icon in the right upper side, then go for story, then go for camera, go for taking a story, or you can get up from your gallery by tagging on the left wing. Now as you can see on my upper side, I have that option to get for adding here a text side. I can go for wow. Now what you need to do, simply when you tap on that text, as you can see on my upper side on the first selection beside done, this is the animated text section, and you can just firstly select the side texting option. We can go with this, for example. I will go done, and here as you can see guys, now you know how to add animated text to Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.